मे म्हयन्याक सुरवात जाल्ल्यासान गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांतल्यान उदकाची समस्या वाड जाल्ली आसा। हातूंत भुंयगत वीज केबल काम करतना दर फावटी उदकाची पायपलायन फुटिल्ल्याच्यो एक घडणुको उक्ताडार येत आसा। साश्टी म्हालांतल्या बेताळबाटी, कोलवा, बाणावले आनी वार्का सारक्या दर्यादेग वाठारांतले थळावे उदका खातीर वळवळे काडटा। पयलीं केन्नाच कोलवा वाठारांत उदकाचो प्रश्न निर्माण जावंक नाशिल्लो, मात फाटल्या 2-4 म्हयन्यां सावन उदकाची पुरवण जावपूस बंद जाल्ली आसा। नळ आसा पूण नळाक उदकाचो थेंब लेगीत येना अशें थळाव्यांचें म्हणणें। 2-3 दिसांनी उदक आयलें जाल्यार उदकाचो दाब कमी आशिल्ल्यान पंपान उदक भरचें पडटा अशें थळावे सांगता। सरकारान वेगवेगळ्या प्रकल्पाक मान्यताय दिल्ल्यान उदकाचो प्रश्न निर्माण जाला अशें थळाव्यांचें म्हणणें।
We are facing water shortages over here. People who are relying on the PWD, the water line, you do not get enough pressure of water. There is water coming, but it's a trickle very often. Mostly in the night you do get some pressure, but during the day there's not much pressure in water. So there is less water, and that is not a good sign. But I would say that is a sign of how things are going to be now for us in the future if everything continues the way it's going. This destruction continues in this way.
I'm living here since 2003, and since then we never ever had problems with water. It is now in the last over 4 months that almost every second, third day there is no water in the tap. The water is not rising to the first floor. We had the tank which was always full. Now that tank doesn't get, because the water is literally trickling into and it doesn't go into, rise up. We'll have to put a pump and push the water up if we have to. The government of Goa should be very, very conscious of the fact that residents all around Goa are facing scarcity of water. If one monsoon is delayed, we cannot imagine what will be the situation in Goa. The number of hotels are increasing, the number of guest houses are increasing, and the government is not even aware how are they going to supply water to the existing residents. So-called unsustainable development has caused utter destruction. Our lives are going to be only worse in the days to come.
साश्टी म्हालान उदकाचो प्रश्न फाटल्या 2 ते 2.5 वर्सां सावन प्रलंबीत आसा। पंचायत उदकाचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक यत्न करीत आसा, तरी लेगीत ग्रामस्थ पंचायतीकूच जापसालदार समजता। पंचायती कडेन कसलोच निर्णय घेवपाचो अधिकार ना। सगळे अधिकार उदका स्त्रोत खात्याकूच आसा अशें बेताळबाटी उपसरपंच लिमिया डायसाचें म्हणणें।
We really have no answer towards this question because we've tried to address this problem by departmental letter about how to tackle it. Last year, I think from the beginning of our term, so we've been writing letters, but we have been receiving no response. There is no pressure. People who have, when you get water also, they must be very slow. It doesn't reach up the sides. So this is a big issue, and what can Panchayat do about it? What we can do is write to the departments. They are supposed to take action on that, but they are misworded.
So केन्नाच्यान तुमकां असो problem?
This problem has been going on for over about 2.5 years, but it's more prominent now. As per the Panchayat Raj Act, it is the duty of the Panchayat to see that the villages have water and the basic amenities like the water, the light. But now that right has been taken away and given to the water department. But still the people, they blame the Panchayat body, they don't blame the department.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.